Well, how y'all doing? Lord of mercy, it's Dan. I want to welcome everyone to my home in the sticks. And I hope everybody is having a show enough good start to a new week. And I hope everybody had a great weekend. But over here in East Central Mississippi, I'm here to tell you it is sure enough hot. Pushing 100 degrees today with the heat index and the humidity. Before we get started on today's video, I'm always going to say that if you are new to the channel, I want to welcome you. And if you returning just to see what old Dan's got going on over her, I sure enough thank you for coming back. But what I want to share with you and y'all today is, Lord of mercy, we're going to do a farm update, and I'm here to tell you my row crops failed. So give me a second and I'm finna show you. All right, before I get to showing you what I want to show you, I want to give y'all a little update on the channel shirts. We actually ran into a little glitch as far as my channel email address. I want to say was hacked, but I think that I have everything back in order and running the way that it should. So I'm going to be, hopefully I can retrieve all those emails and get back to everybody, you and y'all, that has emailed me about the channel shirts. The second little glitch was the supplier of the shirts was having just a little bit of problems getting the actual shirts. But I think we actually have that fixed and we should be up and running now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to look through all of my emails that I recovered from the homeandthesticks@gmail.com, and I will get back to each and every one of you and y'all that got with me about a channel shirt. And I apologize for these little glitches. It is what it is. Dan, what you going on about your row crops? Well, I'm here to tell you, we tried out a new area to plant the purple hull peas this year, and it ain't looking too good. Matter of fact, it ain't looking good at all. Here are my purple hull peas and in the new spot that I planted. And guess what? These row crops were a huge failure this year. I kind of think I know what's going on with it, but it is what it is. I hate seeing this because this field should just be filled with purple hull peas, but it's not. You can tell there is a lot of sporadic planting going on. I have a row, half a row, that's good and lush and looks the way that it's supposed to look, and then I have several rows that have nothing. So that's okay. We're gonna back up and punt, and we're gonna probably do this a little bit different next year. Jamie and I were going back and forth on what we should do with this field. One of the options was actually to replant in the spots that don't have any peas coming up, but I'm here to tell you that's gonna be a lot of work, seeding everything by hand. Not gonna be able to run the Covington in that field. So I think we're just gonna rock on with what we have. We have some to put up, and I think I have some that I can give away as well. And that's one of the main goals, put a little bit up and give a little bit away. But the one thing that's actually looking real good is the earth garden. So we're gonna walk over there and I'm gonna show you what I got growing on over there. All right, earth garden is looking real good. This is the no-till bed, and we have a ton of maters all over the place. Green maters, nice big green maters. Look at there. So that's good seeing all that, because we'll have plenty of maters to put up, and we'll also have some to give away. Better boys are looking good. Better boys are looking good. The big boys, I can't remember. These are lemon boys. And we have oodles of Roma maters all over the place. But we have just a lot of maters coming on. Zucchini and crookneck squash are actually doing really good. We got out here and harvested some, I think it was Saturday. And the cucumbers are doing really, really good. We harvested a bunch of those. And I actually did ferment 2 half-gallon jars of cucumbers, and hopefully we'll have some pickles. I'll walk inside and show you that here in a second. But all in all, it's 50-50 over here. The earth bed, the no-till garden is looking really good. Row crops are just ain't doing too good this year, but that's okay. I did say that I think I know what's going on. I probably need to get up there and lime that field for next year, fertilize it a little bit more, and we'll just see what happens. The mini orchard is looking really good, and that is the area that I normally plant my peas in, and I have really good success. But it's just hard to cultivate and do my thing with all those bends and turns. Well, up yonder is a spot that we're going to stay in, and we'll just we'll amend that soil up there if we have to with some fertilizers, so we can get the row crops growing the way that they should be. So let's walk into this shop and I'll show you some other stuff that we worked on. We harvested some cucumbers, and what I did is I had these guys fermenting. This is the lacto fermented pickles that I normally do. Pretty excited about that, because that's going to be some good eating right there, and that's going to be some nice pickles. And for those that have been wondering, these are the horseradish leaves that I grow here at the Home in the Sticks in my containers. There's a horseradish leaf right there, and there's actually one down at the bottom. So we're going to see how these horseradish leaves do as far as tannins and the cucumbers that we ferment. Hopefully it'll work. What we also did this weekend is we actually made some blueberry jam from the blueberries that we grow over here on the farm. And we ended up with about 6 cups of blueberries, which equates to about 6 of these. I don't know what size this is. I think this is an 8-ounce jar. But that equates to 6 8-ounce jars, and that's basically what we got. These guys will last probably for about 1.5 years, 2 years in a cool, dark, cool environment, and it'll last several months in the refrigerator. You know, you take this lid and this band off and put you a regular lid on it. This will last in the refrigerator for a while, but it doesn't last long here because I eat the far out of it. All right, so that's what I wanted to share with you and y'all today. Lord mercy, give you a little farm update on what I got growing over here and what I don't have growing on over here, being the purple hull peas, but that's okay. We are gonna adjust fire next season, and hopefully we get them jokers growing right. So again, I hope everybody's having a show enough good week, and I hope everybody stays safe amid this crisis. Yep, that's still going on. If y'all like this video, go and give it a thumbs up, they help. If you haven't subscribed to the Home in the Sticks channel, Lord mercy, y'all need to come on over and give old Dan a look, because I'm always doing stuff like trying to get purple hull peas to grow. With that being said, you know it's coming. Dan reference show enough. Always gonna say it. Don't let nobody dull your shine. And I mean nobody. You show enough, get your shine on, stick your hands in the dirt and grow something. And Dan will see you and y'all in the next video.